Hello, my name is Razvan and welcome to razcapapercraft YouTube channel. Today I wanna show you how to make this 3D origami model. This is a 3D origami yellow angry bird. I think the name is Chuck. And you can see it is a very beautiful model. And I hope you enjoy this. Let's start. For this model we need 6 colors. We need black pieces, orange, red, white, yellow, and very light yellow. If you do not have this color, it is not a problem. You can use white instead of this very light yellow. These are large pieces. We obtain 32 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper. If you are a beginner and you do not know how to make these 3D origami pieces, you will have a link in the description of the video. This is the rectangular of paper for the pieces, 5.2 centimeters long and 3.7 centimeters wide. And from this we make our 3D origami piece. You can see there is a very large difference, and we use 5 or 6 pieces connected in a row. Put the edges in the pockets, push, and then with your finger give a very nice round shape to the pieces. I recommend you to use pieces made like this. It is very easy to work with them and the models will look very well. We start with yellow pieces, and first I will show you how I glue 3D origami pieces. Very simple. I use paper solid stick glue. You can find this in every office supply store. I put some glue inside the pocket and then connect with other pieces like this. And I glue every piece, and I recommend you to do the same. I will not showing anymore the glue. I work faster without him. Okay, and we continuing in this way to connect yellow pieces. We go with with 2 rows until we have 6 pieces in the first row and 5 pieces in the second. I already glue this, and now very simple, we close the circle and complete the second row, and we have a small open base. Next we increase the number of pieces. Now we have 6 pieces in a row, and we increase to 9. We increase with 3 pieces. First we put a piece like this and then 2 above. Then we put 1 normal. Then we increase again. One normal, and then increase for the last time, and 2 above, and the last normal one. And push a little bit. Glue very well and wait around 5 minutes until next step. Next we put 2 normal rows, 9 pieces each row, very simple, like this. And then we put another one. We change direction. Complete the row. Next we increase again. Now we have 9 pieces and we increase to 14. We increase with 5 pieces. We put one piece like this, then 2 above, one normal, and increase again. Again one normal and increase. One normal and again increase. And now we have 1, 2. And then we increase another time here. And one normal. Like this. Now we have 14 pieces in this row, this last row, and now we put 3 normal rows, like this. Complete this row and then put another 2, in total 3 normal rows. Next we increase again the number of pieces. Now we have 14 pieces, and we increase with 7 pieces, we increase to 21. Increase like this, we put one piece here and then 2 above, then one normal and increase again, one normal and again we increase, one normal, and we repeat this until we finish the row. One normal and then increase. Finish the row. Now we have 21 pieces in a row, and we put 2 normal rows like this. Complete this row and then put another one, in total 2 normal yellow rows. Next we put 5 yellow pieces. Then we put one red here and another one there. And the rest of the row we complete with yellow pieces. Finish the row with yellow pieces. Next we put 2 red here, then 2 yellow, and again 2 red. And then the rest of the row we complete with yellow pieces. Finish the row. Next we put 1 yellow here, then 1 red, and another one like this. And the rest of the row we complete with yellow pieces. Complete the row. Next we put an entire yellow row. Finish the row. Next we increase with 1 piece what yellow here, and then we put 2 yellow pieces above. Like this. Then we put 2 inverted white pieces here and another 2 in the other part. Now we number from here where we increase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, and here we increase again and 2 yellow above. We repeat in the other part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and increase again. And now we complete the rest of the row with yellow pieces. Complete the row. Next we put 1 normal yellow piece here, then we put 3 inverted white pieces, and we repeat in the other part another 3. Like this. And then the rest of the row we complete with normal yellow pieces. Finish the row. Next we put 6 inverted white pieces. And then the rest of the row complete with normal yellow pieces. Complete the row. Next we put one normal yellow piece here. We push very well. Then we put 2 white inverted here and another 2 in the other part. And next we complete the row with yellow pieces. Finish the row. Next we put 2 normal yellow here. Then we put 1 inverted white here and another one like this. And then we complete the rest of the row with yellow pieces. Complete the row. Next row we put a normal orange piece here, and then we complete the rest of the row with yellow pieces. Complete the row. Next row we put 2 orange pieces, and then we complete the rest of the row with normal yellow pieces. Do not forget to glue every piece. And do not forget to alternate the direction of the row. If you put a row in this direction, next row put the pieces in the other direction. Complete the row with yellow pieces. Next row we put 3 orange pieces, and then we complete the rest of the row with yellow pieces. Next row we put 2 orange pieces, normal pieces, like this, and then we complete with yellow. Finish the row. Next row we put 1 normal orange piece here, and then we complete the rest of the row with yellow pieces. Complete the row. Next we put an entire yellow row, this. Complete the row.